Welcome to our channel. Today we asked AI to discuss an important aspect of running a side hustle, scaling and growth. Once you've established your side hustle, it's important to think about how you can take it to the next level. In this video, we'll be providing tips and strategies for scaling and growing your side hustle. First, it's important to have a clear understanding of your target market and customer base. By understanding your target market, you'll be able to create a product or service that meets their needs and wants. Next, it's important to have a plan for growth. What are your short-term and long-term goals for your side hustle? By setting goals and creating a plan for growth, you'll be able to focus on the most important tasks and make progress towards your goals. It's also important to invest in your business. Whether it's through marketing, hiring employees, or developing new products and services, investing in your business will help you to scale and grow. Another key aspect of scaling and growth is to be open to partnerships and collaborations. Collaborating with other businesses or individuals can bring new opportunities and help you to reach a wider audience. Lastly, it's important to stay adaptable and flexible. The business landscape is constantly changing, and it's important to be able to adapt to new developments and trends in order to stay competitive and continue growing your business. In conclusion, scaling and growth is an important aspect of running a successful side hustle. By following these tips and strategies, you'll be able to take your side hustle to the next level and achieve greater success. Remember to have a clear understanding of your target market, set goals, invest in your business, be open to partnerships and collaborations, and stay adaptable and flexible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on scaling and growth, and taking your side hustle to the next level.